Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to create image swatches in Shopify without using an app. These are separate products. When we click on this image, then this product shown. Same here. These are all my client store. Same idea in all cases. Now we will use liquid CSS and few lines of JavaScript to implement this feature. This post product type variant tutorial.html. Currently it is on my local host. I will publish on my website with Shopify dev.com. Here you can scroll down, and this is my first post. Free shipping bar in Shopify without any app. I will publish here. You can click and view this post. First of all, you can download this CSV file. These are the products we will use in our test development store. Click here, download CSV, and products. Import data from another platform. No, upload a Shopify formatted CSV file. Next, add file. You can add, upload, and preview. Import products. Now the products are imported successfully. For example, when we click this product, the Fred Perry shirt, white color, and these are variants, one color and multiple size. Same Fred Perry shirt and in ox blood color, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. We will group these variants and same 1 2 3 4 5. Let's get started. I will upload video here. Step number 1, create the Metaobject definition. Go to content, Metaobjects, add definition, create, type variant product name, any other name, in our case type variant product. Add two fields, number 1 heading and number 2 products. Heading will be single line text and products are list of products. Number 1 heading, single line text, another field products, product, sorry, one, not one, list of values, product. Save here. Now we can check. Here you can see type variant product Metaobject is created. When we click here, this window is open. We will add new entry. Step number 2, add your product group as entries. We will create new entry, add new entry, heading, for example, in our case the Fred Perry shirt is heading because these are same products. The Fred Perry shirt, remember the Fred Perry shirt is title here and same the handle. These should be matched because we will write few lines of code. And products, select products, similar products. We can search Fred Perry. These are products. Save. Now the entry is created. You can add multiple entries. Like click here and add new entry. code snippets and create a new file. Name it exactly product type variant.liquid. Go to online store. Edit code. Create new snippet file. Right click, new file, type variant product dot liquid. Type product type variant. Product type variant. Can change name. Product type variant dot liquid. Paste the full snippet below. Copy. I will explain step by step later. Copy and then paste here. Save file. Now move on step number 4. Paste these styles into a style block at the bottom of the snippet. Copy here, or you can add this code into base.cs file, but I will paste here the style block, style opening and closing tag. Save here. I will explain this in later. Add the JavaScript code, few lines of code. Copy here and create script tag and paste here. Save here. I will explain. Step number 6. Render the snippet on the product page. Refresh. These are the products that we imported. For example, click here. We will update here. We will add image swatch. Swatch is here. Right click, inspect. We can add here above sizes. Variant select. Search this file product variant picker.liquid. Control P on Windows and Command P on Mac. Product type variant.liquid. Sorry, product variant.liquid. Product variant picker.liquid. Open product variant.picker.liquid and find for option in product.option with values loop. For option in product.option options with values, we will add condition here. If option.name is equal to color and closing this and for closing, and if this is opening and this is closing tag. If option.name is equal to color, then render this snippet. Render product type variant. Otherwise, else use size. Save here. Refresh. Now the image swatches are shown. The setting of media width from small to medium, and then you can change the setting what you want. Color option, and this is value. Here option name and option value. This is the heart of the code. Metaobjects.type variant. Metaobjects mean all of the Metaobjects, and go into type variant product. Type variant product Metaobject. You can check this type variant, type underscore variant underscore product dot values. we now enter into here. Shopify only render I think 20 products per page, so we will paginate 250 products here. At the end, I hide the pagination. I remove the pagination, so all images are shown here with no pagination. Products are shown, all products are shown here. Metaobjects.type variant product.values loop through all entries in type variant product. These are entries, and we created this type variant found is equal to false. Loop through all entries. In our case, there are two entries. If product.id, this specific product, this product slash Fred Perry shirt white, loop through, and if id matches with the current entry product, it means product is found. Here handle is generated. For example, this is heading and this is handle. Brand images, specific type variant product and type variant handle. This is handle, and pull all of the products and store into brand images variable. This is for swatch count for this type of functionality. If there are more than 6 swatches, then this collapse and expand behavior will be shown. If swatch count is greater than 6, then this icon caret will be shown. Otherwise, caret or no gradient. The code which is responsible to render current swatch, current image in the first place. For example, when we click here, then current swatch will be shown in the first position, and it basically checks product handle and match with currently active entry product, and if matches, then render this image with link. And this code is responsible to render all remaining except current swatch. And if the swatch is greater than 6, it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the images are greater than 6, then this chevron icon and gradient will be shown. This is JavaScript code. It basically expand and collapse swatches. We select this chevron wrap class and add event listener, click event listener. Then the function will run. It select data clap closest parent. For example, when we click here, then the data clap, this div will be selected, and toggle class product type variant collapsed class, and add style accordingly. For example, when we click here, then height is auto and no gradient, and when click here, then height is, for example, 600 pixel and with overflow hidden. Same here on gradient, click the class remove and height is auto. Thank you.